Welcome to the ultimate guide to becoming a data analytics expert from scratch. Whether a complete beginner or looking to level up, this roadmap is tailored for everyone. Let's dive in. Data analytics involves collecting, processing, and analyzing data to drive decisions. Industries like healthcare, finance, marketing, and tech rely heavily on data analytics for strategic decision-making. To get started, focus on the basics of statistics and mathematics. Descriptive statistics, probability, and linear algebra are essential. Free resources like Khan Academy and YouTube tutorials make learning accessible. Next, learn Microsoft Excel. Master data cleaning, sorting, pivot tables, and basic data visualization. Practice analyzing small datasets to build confidence. Understanding SQL is crucial. Learn to query and manipulate databases using key commands like select, where, group by, and join. As skills develop, it's time to advance to the intermediate level. Start by learning Python or R. Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn are invaluable. For R, focus on ggplot2 and dplyr for data visualization and manipulation. Master data cleaning and preprocessing. Handle missing values, outliers, and formatting issues using tools like OpenRefine and Python's Pandas library. Dive into data visualization. Utilize tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Python libraries to create compelling dashboards that tell a story with data. At the advanced level, learn the basics of machine learning. Familiarize with algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, and clustering. Libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow will be essential for building models. Get hands-on with big data. Explore tools like Hadoop, Spark, and cloud platforms such as AWS, GCP, or Azure. Practice with large-scale datasets to enhance skills. Consider specializing in an industry or niche, such as healthcare or marketing analytics. Earning certifications like Google Data Analytics or Microsoft Power BI can provide a competitive edge. Building a portfolio is vital. Solve real-world problems using Kaggle datasets and create interactive dashboards that showcase skills. Sharing projects on GitHub and LinkedIn can attract potential employers. Remember, data analytics is a journey of continuous learning. Follow this roadmap step by step, practice consistently, and success will follow. Subscribe for more guides like this.